Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how can you write text on your Instagram story. First of all, you have to open your Instagram in your mobile phone. A screen like this will open. This is called homepage. Now you have to click on this plus icon and choose a picture or a video which you want to upload. Enlarge it and set its size. After selecting it, you have to click on this text option. Here you can write whatever you want. You can give it a background. Simply you can change its colors. You can also give it a font. You can also set its size. After doing it, you can put it on your story by clicking on this button. Click on share, click on done, and you have done it. As you can see, so if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and follow for more contents.